regarder,
means to watch or to look. In this video, we will learn the verb to watch in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I watch.
je regarde,
You watch, informal way.
tu regardes,
He watches, masculine.
il regarde,
She watches, feminine.
elle regarde,
We watch, or one watches, informal way.
on regarde,
We watch, formal way.
nous regardons,
You watch, formal way.
vous regardez,
They watch, group of males or mixed people.
il regarde,
They watch, group of only females.
elle regarde,
This French verb is a versatile term that encapsulates the action of looking or watching. It is essential for describing visual experiences, from enjoying entertainment to observing the world around us. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I am watching a movie.
je regarde un film, je regarde un film,
You are watching TV.
tu regardes la télévision, tu regardes la télévision,
He is looking out of the window.
il regarde par la fenêtre, il regarde par la fenêtre,
She is looking at her phone.
elle regarde son téléphone, elle regarde son téléphone,
We watch funny videos.
on regarde des vidéos amusantes, on regarde des vidéos amusantes,
We are watching a football game.
nous regardons un match de football, nous regardons un match de football,
You are watching a documentary.
vous regardez un documentaire, vous regardez un documentaire,
They are looking at photos.
ils regardent des photos, ils regardent des photos,
They are watching a show.
elle regarde un spectacle, elle regarde un spectacle.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I watch.
Je regarde,
You watch.
tu regardes,
He watches.
il regarde,
She watches.
elle regarde,
We watch, or one watches.
On regarde.
We watch.
Nous regardons.
You watch.
Vous regardez.
They watch.
Il regarde.
They watch.
Elle regarde.
In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.